Since the approval of spot Bitcoin ETF, speculations about the potential for an XRP spot ETF continue to grow in the crypto community. However, the recent report have suggested a lack of clear prospects for an XRP ETF in the future. Notably, Charles Gasparina, an American journalist and senior correspondent at Fox Business, has revealed that Blackrock has dismissed any possibilities of filing for an XRP ETF. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. So, visual of Bitcoin ownership. First of all, we got the MicroStrategy with 189,000 Bitcoin. Then we got the private companies as the Block 1, 164k, MT Gox was 141k, Tether Holdings Limited was 61. Then we got BitMax, Apple, and others. Also, the biggest one of ETFs and funds, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, was 581,000 Bitcoin. Then we got the Purpose Bitcoin ETF, iShares, EDC Group, and Fidelity. Blackrock still not here because they are also preparing. Government entities: United States 215,000 Bitcoin, China 190,000 Bitcoin, and Ukraine various 46,000 Bitcoin. DeFi wrapped Bitcoin at 158,000 Bitcoin as well. Just in, Elon Musk enables a new payment platform for X. Will it accept Bitcoin and Doge? We will see. Absolutely insane number of Bitcoin are being absorbed by ETFs. There's only one way this ends: a supply squeeze with price explosion. The ETF couldn't be priced in because the demand hasn't let off, and you should be incredibly bullish right now. Also, Bitcoin ETF wasting no time, as Bitcoin tops silver in ETF market, trails gold. The newly launched Bitcoin exchange traded funds already have nearly $30 billion in assets under management, as silver ETFs only have $11 billion. Gold $95 billion, Bitcoin $30 billion, and silver $11 billion. Next up, yes, euphoria has entered the market once again, as every time a major meme coin surges, we have always been close to the Bitcoin's top. CoinNerd Daily News says Bitcoin fluctuates below 42k as S&P 500 continues to surpass all-time highs. The SEC government versus Binance trials has been postponed until 1500 UTC and on January 22nd due to the snowstorm. The SEC Gov greenlights Bitcoin spot ETF-based options products with a deadline set for September 21st, 2024. Fines exiting Grayscale's GBTC are nearing the $5 billion mark just over a week since the ETF launch. 9 ETF funds hold over 79,600 Bitcoin, approximately $3.3 billion after 6 days of trading only. Hong Kong is said to have the first Bitcoin spot ETF in Q1 2024. China establishes a metaverse task force comprising representatives from Huawei, Ant Group, Tencent, and others. Suspicions of internal trading on Bithumb. Manta claims it is simply an ecosystem development fund. And there's also other news, but we're going for more. If you just discovered Bitcoin, 2 key things to remember. Bitcoin doesn't have any heroes. Expect your favorite influencer to disappoint you as soon as their follower count reach their monetization goals. And anyone that fights Bitcoin ends up making a fool of themselves. I don't make the rules, plebs do. Is BlackRock looking to file an XRP ETF? Here we go. No prospects for an XRP ETF, and in a recent X post, Gasparina disclosed that BlackRock, one of the world's leading investment companies, has allegedly declared having no plans for an XRP ETF, as the shocking news shared on Thursday, January 18th, had a swift but unfavorable response from the XRP community. And interestingly, this disclosure also follows BlackRock's chief executive officer Larry Fink's recent exclusive remarks about the potential XRP ETF. And as I said, they don't have planned for any other ETFs, as they also declined the Ethereum ETF. They are looking for development of the Bitcoin ETF so far, and the Bitcoin ETF will push Bitcoin's price to the masses. So how's the spot Bitcoin ETF race going? The realm of cryptocurrency is always a roller coaster, and the latest thrilling loop is the spot Bitcoin ETF race. And this isn't just any old race, it's a financial stampede, and that's rewriting the rules of digital currency investments. Let's dive in, shall we? January 11th marked the launch of 10 spot Bitcoin ETFs, and boy did they hit the ground running. Among them, BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, and Fidelity Investments Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund have sprinted ahead, leaving others in a digital dust. With IBIT galloping to $1 billion in assets, it's just 4 trading days, and FBTC not far behind, hitting the same mark on its 5th day. It's clear we are witnessing a high-stakes race. As the leader and the chasers, IBIT and FBTC aren't just basking in their early success, but they are also ranking in significant net inflows. Bloomberg intelligence data shows that after Thursday, IBIT had absorbed about $1.2 billion and FBTC nearly 1.1 billion. And talk about a cash magnet, these funds aren't just sitting pretty, they are actively traded, each boasting over $2 billion in trade volume since their debut. So that's what we got on today's video on the Bitcoin, and if you are interested in more, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.